Today we're going to show you a simple recipe for a cool summer snack. It'll take you about 30 seconds. All you need is cucumbers and celery salt. I first heard of this, I think I was in my 30s. I was in Bar Harbor, Maine, and the Morrisons showed me this recipe. You'll be amazed. It's going to take you 20 seconds. So first I have cucumbers. Buy whichever kind you like, the big long French kind or the pickling kind, or your basic cucumber in the produce aisle, right? I'm washing these thoroughly because I want to leave the skin on them. It's up to you. You can peel the skin off if you like with a vegetable peeler, or in this case, I'm just going to cut the ends off and leave the skin on. You'll see. So now that I have sliced cucumber, I'm going to take celery salt and very carefully sprinkle it over the top. And that's it. Celery salt on cucumbers. All right, let's try it. Your brain tells you that you're eating cucumbers, but your tongue is telling your brain, hey, that's celery. That's some good celery flavored cucumber. It's a great snack. It's cool, refreshing, and it confuses your taste buds. And it couldn't be easier, right? Cucumber and celery salt. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and sharing is always encouraged.